Hi, I'm Ray Schelin. I teach a coach building class in Charlton, Massachusetts. And at the class, and also with my employees, oftentimes we need to use a cutoff wheel. This is a new cutoff wheel. It was a big surprise to me. Purchased it at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is known for very good deals in their quality tools. This is an exceptional deal. Unreal. All right, what we have here is the new Chief cutoff wheel. It's the deluxe cutoff wheel that Harbor Freight sells. I think they just came out a couple months ago. I was probably one of the first purchases. I saw the ad and I said, boy, I got to try that out. And with a coupon, I think it was only $119, which is phenomenally inexpensive. And you always think, well, it's not going to live up to what it looks like in the picture. This doesn't not only live up to what it looks like in the picture, it surpasses the picture both in quality and the build quality and the performance. Excellent buy. If you like a cutoff wheel that's going to last, I suggest checking one of these out at Harbor Freight. Just looking at it, you can see how beautifully it's been designed, and sometimes something might look beautiful but not perform well. That's not the case with this. This performs well and looks well. It even sounds nice. Let me plug it in here. This means business. Works very, very well. Now it also has an adjustable guard on here, and somebody has put the guard in the wrong position, so we put the guard over here like this, and you can lock it in a bunch of different positions. It's got a nice safety on the squeeze trigger. It's got a good feel, very heavy, and it's a very well built tool. So here's an example. We use 1/4-inch wire a lot. We make a lot of cuts in that. We use it to make wire forms for coach building complete cars at our class. And here's an example of cutting this. So it makes pretty quick work of that. And we use a nice 4-inch cutoff wheel. This one's got a little wear on it. It features a 4-inch diameter, 1/32 inch cutoff wheel, which works really, really well. They'll last longer being 4-inch wheels. So that was a piece of 1/4-inch rod. Here's a little piece of angle iron here. That was 1/8-inch wall on that. And we'll get another little bit bigger piece of angle iron. Normally I would use a cutoff horizontal bandsaw for stuff like this, but every once in a while if you got it in a welded situation, then you got to use a cutoff wheel. Makes a nice clean cut. So let's try this. You can follow in line really nice. You make a nice square cut if you want. And when using a tool like this, it's an air tool. You should lubricate it every day. Put a couple drops of lubricant in there, air tool lubricant. And a really good thing to do is make sure you wear a helmet. That'll protect in case one of the wheels blows up. I've never had a wheel blow up, but they do blow up. So you've got a guard built in on it, which is a good deal. Use the shield also. Well, that's it for now. Ray Schelin. Thank you.